let's talk about how can you accomplish the same result of everything going to your spouse with very little hassle when you die by way of some other estate planning tool and not an I love you will. So how can you do that? In Washington, we are a community property state. Idaho is a community property state as well. And there is a document of everything I have. You have this with your spouse. Everything we have is ours. Everything we ever get is ours. And on my death, everything goes to the spouse, the surviving spouse. That's called a three-prong community property agreement. That third prong being, on my death, everything goes to my spouse. So it serves the very same function as a very simple I love you will. But the benefit of the community property agreement is that there will be no probate, because the community property agreement itself acts to deliver all the assets from the deceased spouse to the surviving spouse. So this can be a very good estate planning tool in the right situation. So a community property agreement is a good way to avoid probate in the situation where an I love you will is appropriate. Now, if you have a community property agreement, presumably the reason that you have it is some lawyer has explained it to you, because you probably wouldn't think about that on your own. If you have a community property agreement and you went to a lawyer, I'm pretty confident you will have a will as well, and it will be a very simple will, and I love you will, if that's the type of estate plan that's been set up for you.